folks. What's behind me right over there?
Thank you for joining us out here, the one, the only Freedom Factory. This is Cleatus and Cars. We have aisle down from when the Crown Big Bald Eagle.
Bring the thunder. Bring the thunder.
All right, guys, give it up. Let's see what he's got. You're good to go, brother.
So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, I just came back from Cleatus and Cars up in Bradenton, Florida. And I can tell you right now, Derek, and I made this video, his family, his whole crew couldn't be nicer to the crowd. He stayed and signed every autograph, was the nicest person there. The lady who owned the car, she was super, super nice. Everybody was available. Cleatus was great. If you ever get the chance, come down to the Freedom Factory. This is such a cool event. Please go check out Cleatus McFarland. Go check out Vice Grip Garage. Go check out Wrench Every Day. There's so many people that you meet, and they were really, really nice. And I'm going to be putting up a lot of videos. I met so many people there. A lot of the guys that were racing, yep, I got your trucks, I got your cars, I got them doing the burnouts, I got you before the burnouts while you were waiting in line. So I'm going to be putting up a bunch of videos over the next couple days. I hope you enjoy them. And like I said, please go subscribe to all the people you see in these videos. Definitely worth it. The most fun. Didn't see a single unhappy person there. Not one. People were having some adult beverages and everything else, and yet it was family friendly. It was super fun. I will be going again. This was a huge event. It was inexpensive. It was family friendly. And it was just a blast. So I want to say thank you to Cleatus. I want to say thank you to Derek. And I want to say thank you to every person that I met the whole time there. Every person was gracious, whether it was someone who had just flown in from Detroit or it was someone who actually had a car at the show. Thanks.
Hey, this is Jared from Wrench Every Day. Hope you guys are having a great time watching this video, and I'd love for you to stop by the channel and check out our 1971 International Harvester Johnny Reb, where we did a whole lot of cool custom work. Hope to see you. Make sure you drop in the comments that you came from Junkyards and Barn Finds.
Looking like he's got some control donuts going on with all that. Let's see if you can keep it going.
But the criteria is all about starting the burnout in the shoe, ripping and using all the tools.
That's crazy.
And now he fixed it up.
You need consistent wheel speed,
Yeah, that's
consistent
what's so
smoke,
when you pick it up,
consistent
it's
use of the track.
So that's the woman who owned that car that we have watched over the last year
As much
be converted from
as
just
possible.
sitting next to a shop
On top of that, you
to
need
the car that
all
it is now.
the tire smoke.
So there she is right here. This was your dad's?
It was mine. He
Oh, it
helped
was
me.
yours.
He helped me fix
Who
it.
painted the stripes and stuff on it? Was that you? Like,
Yeah.
how did you paint with airbrush
My
or just
son,
like paint them
no,
one day?
just spray can.
Okay.
My son made the stencils for the stars.
Because I watched him like find it and all that stuff. So I was just wondering, like, what do you think?
She was painted right after 9/11.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I never thought I would ever see it again.
So, like, did you know anything about it when he found it, or how'd you find out about
My cousin sent me his link.
Right.
Asked me, she said, "Is this your old car?" So I looked, and there it is. Yes.
Was it in that bad a shape when you parked it, or?
No.
I'm pretty sure he did that to correct. It might be missing 70% of the valves in the motor, but it is running 110%.
Yeah, so you're. I mean,
I'm glad I didn't run
you
anyway.
and Cleater, you guys always cars go against each other, right? Whoa. Lane breaking news. What's going on over here?
Dude, right here we have Garza. Who knows Garza? Anyone? Sometimes they call him wall tap, wall trip. Wall trap. Wall tap Timmy. Wall trap Willie? Wall trap. Wall tap.
Which Garza boy is this? I don't know. One of them can't see over the wheel. I don't know how he's seen over the wheel. Is that?
Yeah, we had to give him a booster seat.
I appreciate that.
The more smoke, the better.
I mean, this is just something that has grown into just infamy, right? Doing a good burnout. You make some noise for one. Ralph, we good, bud? There he is.
I'm pretty sure he did that to... What's this guy doing, Jade?
It's not a rotary, so he doesn't know how to drive it.
Oh, man.
Pow.
Hold on. Let me see this. There we go. Oh.
I will tell you what, these guys have been sitting here signing autographs for at least 2 hours. This reminds me of when Garth Brooks would go ahead and just stay for everybody. So it's just crazy.
We wanted to drive it in, but this is interwebs right here. Ah, gotcha.
Bring the thunder. Bring the thunder. All right, guys, give it up. Let's see what he's got. You're good to go, Rex. And this is going to be the exclamation point on a fantastic, not only day, but also 2 days. Last night making history for the first time ever, having guests here in the building that is Freedom Factory, and of course, the Freedom 500, the Summit Racing Equipment, Freedom 500. And now, Cleatus and Cars, with you in the building, people online, join us, meaning Cleatus McFarland, Jimmy, of course, thank you so much. Grab the toolbox, and then James Tall, and of course Spicy Spence. I'm Jared Dienda. We are putting an exclamation point on a fantastic day and 2 days out here.
Derek. Come on, make some noise for it. Push team, push team. USA! 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 USA!
April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.